Hey, it's Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center. I just want to make a quick follow-up video on XRP, Ripple, and Bitcoin. I'm first of all on the side of Bitcoin and almost all these cryptos, 99.9% going to zero. So just so I can make that clear, so there's no miscommunication. I've been on that line for ever since it started. And sometimes people would say, well, that's foolish. I never said nobody made money off of crypto. But let's look at point number one. And this is my opinion on crypto, and then I'm going to show you actual facts. So if you're looking for real information, hit the subscribe button. We have information on business, investments, and stuff like that, or whatever we can do to help you out during the time. But and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, because this can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. First of all, let's just imagine if I had monopoly money and I said, go ahead and take this to a store, you can use this to buy something. First, you'd laugh at me. That would be number one. But if for some reason I said, hey, give me your money, your $1,000, and I'm going to give you $1 million of monopoly money, you might get to a point where you're convinced that you'll accept this for some reason. Well, that's basically what happened to Bitcoin. Nobody wanted it. Everybody laughed at it until people started using it for a certain purpose. That's exchanging, mostly people would say illegal activities. And that's why it was extremely cheap. But as the people started using it, the value started going up and it's being traded and used as currency also. So I'm not saying nobody ever made money off of it, as well as other cryptocurrencies. I'm not saying nobody ever made money off of it. And people who say, well, no, cryptocurrencies are made and you have to do work and it has value. Well, so does monopoly money. They have to cut down trees. Somebody makes it, there's value. But of course, with monopoly money and I'm giving it to you, you're going to just laugh and not accept that. It's really the same thing with cryptocurrency. It's only worth what other people are convinced to be paying for it, or if the government allows it. Of course, if I went to the store with monopoly money, they're going to laugh at me and they're not going to accept it. I may even go to jail if I somehow get away with it. But with cryptocurrency, you can't go everywhere and use it too. Some places will allow you. Next of all, there's the lawsuit. I'm going to show you this right here. We're going to switch to my computer. Okay, sorry about the high production value. This is the easiest way to do it. Coinbase, Ripple, price decrease 57%. See that right there? And the reason, Coinbase will be suspending trading because a lawsuit from the Securities and Exchange Commission. Guess what? This is not good. And there's other people saying it's nothing to worry about. So January 19th, and other people are saying online, oh, well, you can still trade it all over the world, blah, 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 blah. Well, eventually the Federal Reserve and the Securities and Exchange Commission and other countries are going to be doing a similar thing here. And then we see this article that came up and people are touting it as Ripple's going to turn around as well as other cryptos. Regulators implement groundbreaking cryptocurrency guideline for banks and future payments. This article basically says that regulators are allowing banks and fintechs to use crypto for payments, and that means other people will be using it. But it goes also to cite that they have to use stable coins. So now other people are saying, hey, great, Ripple's going to come back. Everyone's wrong and Bitcoin's safe. So let's look up the definition for stable coins, since all these other people can't read, or they're lying to you because they're probably trying to dump all their Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. What's a stable coin? A new class of cryptocurrency that offers price stability that are backed by a reserve asset. Volatility free. So these are important terms that you have to realize, and don't listen to other people because they're either lying to you because they're trying to dump all their currency or pump it up before it goes or whatever. Stable coins are cryptocurrencies that attempt to peg their market value in some external reference. Stable coins may be pegged to a currency like the US dollar or commodity price, such as gold. Stable coins achieve their price stability via collateralization or through algorithmic mechanisms of buying or selling references, assets, or its derivatives. Understanding stable coins. While Bitcoin remains most popular, it tends to suffer from high volatility and its valuations. Bitcoin is not a stable currency because of that, nor is most of the others. And basically, that's what they're talking about. So, the U.S. Fed, they have been working on their own cryptocurrency for quite some time, FedCoin. I don't know if it's going to be called FedCoin. This is one article that I see. It's actually from 2017, January 12th, if you look at that. But they've been working on their own crypto. They're going to legalize their own crypto. The Federal Reserve and the government, they're not going to allow you to trade stuff and do all this stuff that's been going on. Eventually, Bitcoin, as well as many of the other cryptocurrencies, XRP very, very soon, are going to be worth next to nothing. So am I saying you can't make money in the short term? No. In the future? No. But what happens when somebody doesn't want to trade something? What happens, if I convince somebody, what happens if I convince somebody to accept my Monopoly money? And let's just say if $100 of Monopoly money, somebody told you, great, I'll give you $1,000 for it. And after a while, the government says, you can't do that. And they don't allow people to do that. Well, that Monopoly money becomes worth zero. It becomes worth then probably the price to go get it yourself at the store or mine your cryptocurrency. And I haven't mined cryptocurrency, so I'm being 100% transparent, but I have looked into it. And I saw one article where somebody said, I've been mining cryptocurrency for 2 years and it has not been profitable. So I think they were doing the math on what they were paying for electric and everything. I don't know if this is true or not. I don't know what equipment they got because when I looked to it online years ago, it said if you get good equipment, you'll make more money. If you use older equipment, you don't make money. So being the devil's advocate on that agreement, they said they didn't start making money until recently when cryptocurrencies started increasing in value drastically. My opinion, it's not a good idea. And with the articles that I found and understanding the government and the Federal Reserve, cryptocurrencies probably will all go to zero or extremely low very quickly. And you got a February 19th deadline on Coinbase for Ripple, and that will probably carry through to most of the trading platforms in the United States, because if the Federal Reserve is suing, the other trading platforms are not going to be getting involved either. They're going to have to pull it if they didn't pull it already. They're not going to have a choice. They don't want to get involved in the SEC lawsuit. Well, that's my opinion. I don't know what your thoughts are. Comment below. Smash the like button. Subscribe. And good luck. I hope you're making money off of crypto. But, and I understand, I saw an article, Kathy Woods just got into Bitcoin. Kathy Woods, she's smart, but I think she's got this one wrong. Every deal she does is not gold. So just to be transparent, just like every trader, everything they do is not gold. The same with Warren Buffett. He's made a couple bad trades. So you got to be transparent and realize just because people are posting that a good trader is doing something doesn't mean they're doing the right thing. They could make a wrong choice. All right, smash the like button, subscribe, have a great day, and I hope you don't lose money.